నమస్కారం ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా పేరు పి సహస్ర. నేను ఇవాళ మీకు ఒక హెల్తీ స్నాక్ చెప్పబోతున్నాను. దాని పేరేంటో మీకు తెలుసా? బేల్పూరి. నేను బేల్పూరి చేయడం కోసము పల్లీలు, కొత్తిమీర, సాల్ట్, ఇంకా కారం, టమాటో, ఆనియన్, ఇంకా కొత్తిమీర, మిక్చర్, ఇంకా లెమన్, బేల్ రెడీ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ మనము టమాటోస్, ఉల్లిపాయ, ఇంకా కొత్తిమీరని వేసుకొని చిన్న ముక్కలు చేసుకున్నాను. చిన్న చిన్న ముక్కలు చేసుకున్న తర్వాత దీన్ని నేను వేడిలోకి వేసుకుంటున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు నేను అన్ని వేసుకొని కలుపుకుంటున్నాను. నేను అన్నీ వేసుకొని కలుపుకుంటున్నాను. ఇందులో నిమ్మకాయ పిండుకుంటే చాలా టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను మంచిగా మళ్ళీ మిక్స్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు రుచికరంగా ఉండే బేల్పూరి రెడీ. ఆద్య టేస్ట్ చేస్తావా? ఎట్లా ఉంది? ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mahani. Today I am going to show you all a recipe of a healthy salad using fruits, vegetables, sprouts and dry fruits. Here are the ingredients I am going to use to make the salad. Let's mix them in a bowl. So now I am going to mix this mixture which contains lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and afterwards we will even add some honey. We need to only add 1 spoon of this mixture. We have to mix it. Hope you like my recipe.
Hi friends, I am Katrilya. Today I am going to make a healthy salad recipe. The required ingredients are some sprouts, some chopped tomatoes and cucumbers, and some soaked almonds and walnuts. First, we need to pour some sprouts into the bowl. And next, we need to add some cucumber and also tomatoes. Next, we need to add some almonds and walnuts. Next, we mix it a little and then our Nutri snack is ready. Thank you.
Everybody, I am Sloopy. Today I am going to make a Nutri snack, a sprout salad. The ingredients we need are sprouts, pomegranate, chopped tomato and cucumber, grated carrot, soaked and peeled almond, some lemon and sprouts. Chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, pomegranate, snack is ready. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Sridhara from Pune. Today I'm going to teach you how to make guacamole. We need an avocado, which is also called butterfruit, an onion, a cucumber, and a small lemon. Firstly, ask an adult to cut these all into small cubes. Then take a large bowl, put the avocado and mash it with the ladle. Then add onion, cucumber and the juice of lemon. Then lastly add a pinch of salt. And mix it well. Guacamole can be enjoyed as a snack, spread on toast. It can be replacement for mayonnaise in the burger to make it healthy. Let me eat it. It's too yummy.
Nutrition is an essential and crucial part of our lives as the food we eat generates the nutrients essential for our body. And our friends have made a very informative and innovative presentation on how the food we eat affects our body and our mental and physical health. They have also shown the importance of food and food groups and the necessity of having a balanced diet and ideal timing for meals. So keeping the thought that we are what we eat in our minds, let us watch the video.
Namaste. Today we are here to present about nutrition. Exercise plays a very important role in our daily lives. For doing exercise, we need energy, and we get energy by eating food. We cannot eat anything we want. We should always follow a balanced diet consisting of nutritional food. So let's head towards our topic, nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is nothing but providing essential food which is necessary for the growth and health of the body. And nutritional food is nothing but the food providing all the necessary nutrients to the body which helps us in building a strong and healthy body. Importance of food. Food is anything solid or liquid which, when swallowed, digested, and assimilated in the body, helps to keep the body well. Food and health go hand in hand. Hence, it is said that you are what you eat. Food interrelates everything in a beautiful manner. Food is one of the basic needs of our existence.
Food items providing the same type of nutrients have been grouped together, which is known as food group. There are three major food groups: energy giving foods, carbohydrates and fats, body building foods, proteins, protective foods, vitamins and minerals.
Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of foods in certain quantities and proportions so that the requirement of calories, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and alternative nutrients is adequate, and a small provision is reserved for additional nutrients to endure the short length of leanness.
Diet for adolescents. During adolescence, boys require an average of 2,800 calories per day. Girls require average of 2,200 calories per day. Take adequate amounts of food rich in proteins, iron, vitamins, and minerals. Increase the fiber content in your food and decrease the use of salt. 1,300 mg of calcium is required daily. Decrease the amount of fat consumed. Drink more water. Try to avoid drinks that are high in sugar. Fruit juice have a lot of calories, so limit your teens intake. Healthy and junk food. Healthy food is any natural food popularly believed to promote or sustain good health, as by containing vital nutrients, being grown without the use of pesticides, or having a low sodium or fat content. Junk food is unhealthy food that is high in calories from sugar or fat, with little dietary fiber, proteins, vitamins, minerals, or other important forms of nutritional value. The term HFSS foods high in fat, salt, and sugar is used synonymously.
Sattvic food. Sattvic diet is a diet based on foods that contain one of the three yogic qualities known as the sattva. In this system of dietary classifications, foods that decrease the energy of the body are considered tamasic, while those that increase the energy of the body are considered rajasic. Foods that promote the purity of mind, peace, intelligence, and clear decision making. These foods are pure and light and promote positive energy flow.
Rajasic food. Food is associated with quality and freshness. Rajasic foods include spicy, hot, bitter, sour, and pungent foods, which are not easily digestible as sattvic food. These foods are foods that give us motivation, keep us attached to ego, and create desires. Often overstimulating these foods can create restlessness and excited mind. Tamasic food. Sedative foods, also called static foods or tamasic foods, are foods whose consumption, according to yoga, are harmful to both mind and body. Harm to mind includes anything that will lead to duller, less refined state of consciousness. These foods lower the resistance to diseases. They cloud the mind and promote negative emotions. These foods are dull, heavy, block the flow of energy, and produce harmful toxins.
Meal timings. Breakfast. Eat within 30 minutes of waking up. Ideal time to have breakfast is 7 a.m. Do not delay breakfast later than 10 a.m. Make sure you have protein in your breakfast. Lunch. Ideal time to have lunch is 12:45 p.m. Try to keep gap of 4 hours between your breakfast and lunch. Do not delay lunch later than 4 p.m. Dinner. The ideal time to have dinner is before 7 p.m. You should keep the gap of 3 hours between your dinner and bedtime. Workout meals. Never work out on empty stomach.
जंक फूड जहामा पौष्टिकं खादामा सुष्ठु भवामा इदानीं महत्वपूर्ण अंशः क्रीडाभास्कराः आलोकयामा
हमारी चाहत यदि हॉकी और फुटबॉल हो जाए, हमारा प्यार क्रिकेट का बदला वॉलीबॉल हो जाए, यदि टेनिस, कुश्ती और कबड्डी को हमारा जीवन बना दिया जाए, तो बच्चे मिसाल बन जाए और देश निहाल हो जाए।
Hello everyone. Today me and my friends are going to talk about a few sports personalities. Now let's start our PPT with a short quote. Good players inspire themselves. Great players inspire others.
Vinesh Phogat. Vinesh Phogat is one of India's top wrestlers who has brought home a number of medals from various competitions around the world. Hailing from one of the traditional wrestling families from Haryana, Vinesh was introduced to wrestling from an early age by her uncle and former wrestler Mahavir Phogat.
Vinesh Phogat first made a mark on the international scene when she was 19 as she clinched a bronze medal at the Asian Wrestling Championships in New Delhi in 2013 in the 51 kg category. She followed that up by winning silver at the Commonwealth Wrestling Championships in the same year in South Africa. Vinesh, who moved from the 51 kg to the 48 kg category, defeated home favourite Jana Rettingen of England in the finals to clinch the gold medal. However, she announced a strong comeback into wrestling as she clinched a silver medal at the Asian Wrestling Championships in Kyrgyzstan in 2018.
Achievements. Phogat became the first Indian woman wrestler to win gold in both Commonwealth and Asian Games. She has become the first Indian athlete to be nominated for Laureus World Sports Award. She has won 2 gold medals in Commonwealth Games in 2014 and 2018 and a gold medal in Asian Games in 2018 conducted at Jakarta. Honors. She has been awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2020 and Arjuna Award in 2016.
Leander Pace. Introduction. Leander was born in Calcutta, India on 17 June 1973. His parents were both athletes. Pace enrolled with the Britannia Amritraj Tennis Academy in Madras.
Career. Pace first won titles at the Junior and the Junior Wimbledon and he turned professional in 1991. Pace grew stronger in 1998, reaching the semi-finals of 3 Grand Slams, the Australian Open, the French Open and the US Open, winning Wimbledon and the French, thus becoming first Indians to win a doubles event at a Grand Slam.
Achievements. He competed in consecutive Olympics from 1992 to 2016, making him the first Indian and the only tennis player to compete at 7 Olympic Games. He is a former Davis Cup team captain and holds the record for the most Davis Cup doubles wins with 43 victories. Major Grand Slam tournaments in tennis are Wimbledon, French Open, Australian Open, and US Open. In doubles category, he has won French Open in 1999, 2001 and 2009 and Wimbledon in 1999. Honors. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sporting honor in 1996 to 1997. The Arjuna Award in 1990, the Padma Shri Award in 2001 and India's third highest civilian award, the Padma Bhushan Prize in 2014.
Manpreet Singh. Manpreet Singh was born in a farmer's family in Mithapur in near Jalandhar. Manpreet Singh was very passionate about hockey. When he was 10 years old, he won rupees 500 in a hockey match and later on he joined a hockey academy.
Manpreet Singh made his debut for the junior national Indian team in 2011. In 2013's Men's Hockey Junior World Cup, he was named as the captain of junior Indian national men's hockey team. He made his debut for senior Indian men's hockey team in 2016 and played in Men's Hockey Championship Trophy, in which India won the silver medal. On 18th May, he was named as the captain of Indian hockey team. From then, he is the captain of India till now.
Achievements. His team has won a gold medal at the 2014 Indian Asian Games, a gold medal at the 2017 Asian Cup, and another gold medal at the 2018 Asian Champions Trophy. He was honored with the Arjuna Award in 2018.
Mithali Dorai was born on December 3, 1982. She is an Indian cricketer and was the captain of Indian women national cricket team. A right-hander opening batter, and she is the highest runner score in the world in the women international cricket and the only female cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in women's. She led the India team to finals in 2005 Women's Cricket World Cup, whereas the team lost to Australia. Achievements. In 2003, Mithali Raj received Arjuna Award. In 2005, Mithali Raj received Padma Shri Award. In 2017, Mithali Raj received Youth Sports Icon of Excellence Award. Mithali held the record for the highest individual score by the Indian women cricketer in the World Cup. She is the first and the fifth woman cricketer all over to score over 1,000 runs in World Cup. She holds the record for playing the most women one-day international for team.
I'm here to tell you about Abhinav Bindra. He was born on 28 September 1982 at Dehradun, India. Amit Bhattacharya was his mental coach since when he was a child, and L.T. Col Dilton was the first who spotted talent in Bindra. Bindra participated in Commonwealth Games in 1998 at 15 years of age, and in 2001 at Muej he had won a World Cup in shooting. First one was the bronze medal at the World Shooting Championship at Muej, Germany, and he won 6 gold medals in various events and even Rajiv Gandhi Sports Award as well in 2001. Gold medal at Air Rifle Event Commonwealth Games, and in 2006 he had won 2 prizes. They were World Shooting Championship Commonwealth Games, which was held in Melbourne, Australia.
On Rani Rampal, an Indian hockey player. Rani Rampal, at the age of 15, she was the youngest player in the national team in 2010 World Cup. She plays forward on her team. She played 212 international matches and scored 134 goals. She is currently the captain for Indian women's hockey team. Rani was born in 1994 in Shahabad in Haryana. Her father works as a cart puller. She was registered in the town's team at the age of 6 and trained under Baldev Singh, a recipient of Dronacharya Award. She first came to junior nationals and later she was admitted into national squad. Career. She played for Indian team in Asia Cup held in 2009. In 2013, India won Junior World Cup because of her. She was a part of 2017 Women's Asian Cup and they won the title second time. And they got the trophy for the first time in the year 2004. She led the Indian women's hockey team as captain in 2018 World Cup where they won a silver medal. She was called as a top goal scorer and the young player of the tournament. She was awarded with the Arjuna Award in 2016, which was like one of her dreams come true. She was the player of the tournament, the Junior World Cup held in 2013. She wins World Games Athlete of the Year award. Finally, the Government of India honored her with Padma Shri. Thank you.
Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja is born on 6 December 1988. Ravindra Jadeja is an all-rounder who plays for India in international level and for Chennai Super Kings in the IPL.
His coach Mahendra Singh Chauhan and his sister played a very crucial role in his career. Jadeja made his under-19 appearance for India in 2005 at the age of 16.
Jadeja is an important bowler and a batsman for the Indian team. He is also an amazing fielder.
Achievements. Jadeja was ranked second in the ICC Top 10 Test All-Rounders in 2018.
He was also ranked first in the ODI 2013. His performance was memorable in the World Cup 2019 semi-finals against New Zealand.
Thank you.
David Lakota Rudisha, MBS, born on 17 December 1988, is a Kenyan middle distance runner. He is the one and only person to run under 1:41 in the event and holds 3 fastest, 6 of 8 fastest and half of 20 fastest times ever run in this event.
David Rudisha. The talent is in his genes. His father, Daniel Rudisha, was part of Olympic silver medal winning 4x400-meter relay team in Mexico Summer Olympics in 1968. He was David's motivator and mentor in the early days. Until their 9th year, David was schooling at Kilgoris. At the age of 16, he met Cole O'Connell, the Irish top coach who was stuck with this tall, powerful athlete. He ran 200 meters, 400 meters and relay for his school, which was also using him for the decathlon. In 2004, he ran 200 meters. In 2005 April, after a month of training, he ran 800 meters under 1 minute 50 seconds on a dirt track.
David Rudisha made 2 world records within 7 days in the same week, the one at the Samsung Diamond League event held at Brussels. He is the new national hero of Kenya. When he came back from Europe in September, there were hundreds of fans waiting for him at the Jomo Kenyatta Airport in Nairobi. David Rudisha won the World Junior Championships in 2006, World Athletics Finals in 2007, World Championships in 2011. He also came second in the Commonwealth Games held in 2014. He won the World Championships again in 2015. He also won the Olympic Games in 2016.
Recently, David Rudisha has met with an accident and has undergone a surgery. Yet, with his willpower, he has recovered within months. Now he is aiming for a third 800 meter Olympic gold medal in Tokyo Olympics. He has a long way to go.
Good morning. My name is Shakti Harini. Today, me and my friend Bhavyashri are going to talk about PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu is a professional badminton player who was born on 5th July 1995 in Hyderabad, Telangana. Despite having parents who were professional volleyball players, Sindhu chose badminton because she was greatly inspired by Pulala Gopichand. Career. Sindhu debuted as a professional badminton player in the year 2009 and entered the international circuit. She broke into the top 20 of the BWF World Ranking at the age of 17. Out of a total of 426 matches in her career, she won 328 and lost 140.
Achievements. PV Sindhu is the first Indian to win 5 World Championship medals. She also won a silver medal in Olympics. She is also the first Indian woman to win a silver medal in Asian Games.
Honors. PV Sindhu was honored with Padma Bhushan Award in 2020 and a Padma Shri Award in 2015. She was also awarded with Khel Ratna Award, and also she was bestowed with Arjuna Award for badminton in the year 2013.
Today I am going to share my favorite nutri drink, oat smoothie. No sugar, no milk. Ingredients required are roasted peanuts, soaked oats with dates, and 4 to 5 almonds, 2 tablespoons of sesame powder, and a ripened banana. Now let's do the procedure. We have to mix all the ingredients and mix it. After mixing it, our smoothie is ready. We can also put some chopped peanuts on the topping for the garnishing. Now let's taste our smoothie. Here is my smoothie. Now let's taste it. So yummy. You can too try it. Bye. Thank you.
उनके जज्बात अजीब है, उनके जज्बात अजीब है, इसलिए वो खेलते बेहतरीन है। A life without dreams is not worth living. I always try to see good in everything, and that gives me strength. Kids my age were picking up toy cars, but I used to buy toy guns. I'm Ninashi and I like to play tennis. My philosophy is not to be scared of anyone. If I play well, great. If I don't, I will learn from the match and move on. फाइटर कभी हार नहीं मानता। जोनी, हम वो एक कबड्डी के मैदान में आंखों ही आंखों में कोई छुड़ा लेते हैं। And I am Rahul Chaudhary. कबड्डी। मेरा नाम साक्षी मलिक। To those who told me I'm a girl and couldn't wrestle, I want to say, please show some parents. Girls can do everything. Dhanush Babu. Life is beyond the four walls of a classroom, which something education needs to take care of. Deepika Kumari. I play archery. I focus at my goal. I don't protect. Follow your own dream and not someone else's. You need to motivate yourself, no matter what. Definitely when things are bad, but also when things are good. Or else you risk becoming complacent. Don't stop chasing your dreams because dreams do come true. Himalayas. I am Arush Teja from 3rd A. My favorite indoor game is Carrom. In this pandemic situation, it is safe to play. I like to play with my brother. In this carom board, there are 4 holes. Black means 10 points. White means 20 points. At last, red means 50 points. We play it like this. Thank you.
Wave Beats Music.
Hello everyone, my name is Mira. Today I am going to tell how to play snake and ladder game. How to play. I got 4. 1, 2, 4. We should climb up the ladder. We also got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we should also climb up the ladder. I got 2. 1, 2. If we come near the snake's mouth, we should go till near snake's tail. Like this we should play. Who will reach 100 first is the winner.
Basketball game played between 2 teams of 5 players. Each team tries to score by tossing the ball to the opponent's goal and elevated horizontal hoop and a net called basket. The player should hold and toss the ball with one hand. Who invented basketball? James Naismith is a physical education instructor. Invented basketball in the Young Men's Christian Association. Basketball is played between 2 teams. Basketball is played between 2 teams. Each team has a basket. The team that has its own basket, it should toss the ball into it. If it tosses, it gets 1 point. In between, another team tries to not score the other.
Hi, I'm Shloka. My favorite game is cricket. Cricket is a great game to develop your overall fitness, hand-eye coordination, and stamina. The fitter you are, the better you play. I love cricket because we can play for our country. Thank you. Sixer!
My favorite game is hopscotch. It was invented by Romans. In India, it is known as Langdi in Hindi and Tokkudu Billa in Telugu. It is very beneficial for mastering the body control and mathematical aptitude. We can hop on even numbers than odd ones and use this game as a multiplication, subtraction and addition tool.
Hi friends, my name is Ketan Ram. Today I'm gonna show you a game. Ta-da! Tumbling Tower is my favorite game. It's very interesting game. We'll show. Do you think it's hard to win? No, we'll show you. First, I keep blocks and put it up. Yeah, now you need to build it like that. We'll show you how to play now. You need to take one block and put it up. It shouldn't fall. Yeah, if it falls, you lose. Yeah. Now she will play again. Yeah. If this is 3, you need to put again up. Okay? If it just falls, you lose. Yeah, it's falling. So see, don't touch it. Yeah. Yeah. Slowly. This is my place.
Done.
So, my favorite game is chess. Chess is an ancient game
Williams. Yes, you must have guessed it by now. Tennis. Tennis is my favorite game. It is competitive, exciting, and of course great for your fitness levels. To play this game, you need a tennis court which is made of surfaces such as grass, concrete, and clay. This court is divided into two halves by a net. The game can be played as singles or doubles. The player uses a tennis racket to strike a hollow rubber ball. The aim is to hit the ball over the net, landing the ball within the margins of the court. You win a point every time your opponent is unable to return the ball within the court. You can win a point by delivering a perfect serve, that is service, or by playing shots such as the forehand and the backhand shots. There are 7 sets in a match and you need to win maximum number of sets to win a match. Tennis improves muscular endurance, flexibility, hand-eye coordination, and it also increases concentration and mental strength. Thank you.
What makes someone a hero? I often wondered. Is it courage, bravery, or selflessness? What is it all about? I think it's passion, willpower, perseverance, and strong determination towards one's dream that makes them a hero. It was a wonderful presentation by my friends on some of our favorite heroes who not only made themselves proud but also our country too. I wish we would get inspired and be passionate in all our future endeavors and celebrate our achievements.
Today I'm going to speak a few words about a very inspirational sports personality who is none other than the great strong boxer Mary Kom. Her full name is Mangate Chengjing Mary Kom. She was born on 1st March 1983 in Imphal, Manipur. In a small and remote village where no one would have dreamt of producing a woman boxing champion, Mary Kom belonged to a poor and humble family and she had to fight against all odds to win and become a legend. Mary Kom is a 6-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to win gold at 2018 Commonwealth Games. She is also the first Indian female boxer to win gold in the Asian Games in 2014 at South Korea. She also had the Olympic bronze medal to her credit, which she won in the year 2012. She is an incumbent member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Since her childhood, Mary Kom had keen interest in sports and her journey is not only inspirational but also incredible. Today I want to tell you about one of the great Paralympic heroes. She is Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik was born on 30 September 1970. She is an Indian athlete. She is India's first woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games and won a silver medal in 2016 Summer Paralympic Games in shot put. She has also won a gold in F53-54 javelin event. She is awarded Padma Shri, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award for Para Athletics and more. She is now the President of Paralympic Committee of India. Today I am going to talk about Kamar Jyoti Dalal. Kamar Jyoti Dalal is an Indian para-athlete. She is from Rohtak. She is a discus thrower. She won a bronze medal at the IPC World Para-Athletics Championship. Dalal was the first woman from India to win at the Paralympics. She didn't end up medaling at the World Championship. That raised several eyebrows within the para-athletics fraternity. She was a kabaddi player before. She is currently a coach at Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. Her achievements: Dalal won a gold medal at FASA Grand Prix. Dalal won 2 bronze medals at Asian Games. She won a bronze medal at World Para Athletics Championship.
Namaste. My name is Akash. I am of class 7 from Sri Aurobindo International School. My fitness hero is MSD, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is well renowned for his famous helicopter shots, exceptional mental agility, and his fitness. His speed is simply unmatchable, being sporty and uber cool at the age of 39. Dhoni has mastered doing the squats and can even perform intense versions of the exercise. The squats help you stay crouched for a long amount of time, making Dhoni one of the best wicket keepers. Apart from good diet and exercise, one thing which has helped Captain Cool maintain his form is a good quality sleep. Stay cool, stay fit. Thank you.
Mithali Raj was born on 3rd December 1982 in a Tamil family in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Mithali has played both Test and One-Day international cricket for India's women cricket team. Mithali is nicknamed Lady Tendulkar of Indian women cricket team. Mithali is the first Indian and fifth woman cricketer to score 1,000 World Cup runs. Mithali, she has been awarded with Arjuna Award, Padma Shri Award and is the leading woman cricketer in the world.
My inspiration is Naresh Kumar Sharma, an Arjuna awardee, who is a parachuter with 90% of disability. He is my hero because he fought a physical disabilities and never gave up. In the Rio 2016 Paralympic event, he became the first Indian athlete to book his place. We should all remember that if we are not loyal and honest to our chosen activity, we can't achieve anything.
I am talking about the most inspiring amateur boxer and a member of our Parliament Rajya Sabha India. She is Mary Kom. She is the only female to become the world amateur boxing champion for record 6 times. The only boxer to win 8 world championship medals, nicknamed as Magnificent Mary. A road in Impal had been named as Kom Road. She is the only Indian female boxer to have qualified 2012 Summer Olympic and won bronze medal. She is the only Indian female boxer to win gold medals in Asian Games 2014 and Commonwealth Games 2018. She received Padma Vibhushan in 2020, Padma Bhushan in 2013, Padma Shri in 2006. She puts 100% effort in training and is known for dedication and hard work. And it's not resources, it's passion and dedication that makes us successful.
Today I am talking about fitness hero. My fitness hero is PV Sindhu because she was the first woman badminton player from Telangana who played for India. She was born on 5th July 1995. She played international debate match in 2009 and she received Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and more awards. We always support her.
My favorite sports star is chess legend Vishwanathan Anand. He is India's first grandmaster and a 5-time world champion. He is also known as the father of Indian chess. He holds many prestigious awards, including the Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan Awards. He is my favorite sports star because of his humbleness and his style of play. And he is also one of the main reasons for India's rocket boost in chess.
शायद बचपन में सानिया मिर्जा और पीवी सिंधु भी मेरे जैसे नटखट होंगे, पर मैं तो बड़ी होकर उनके जैसा बनना चाहती हूँ। My name is Kala Manishwari. I am the weightlifter. Healthy food and daily exercise make us fit and strong. I am Abhinavrinda. Hi, I'm Saina Nehwal, badminton single player. I have won 2 gold medals in Commonwealth Games and 1 bronze medal in Olympics. I train hard to win games for my country, India. Hi, I am Yogesh Bhagat. I am Bhagat. I have 7 medals. Jai Hind. Hi everyone. I am PV Sindhu. I am badminton player. I won silver medal in Olympics. I got Padma Bhushan Award this year. I am Virat Kohli, famous batsman in the world. I am India team, captain of India team. I am Geeta Pomar, wrestler from India.
माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल दंगल.
And Dhoni is batting. India needs 6 runs out of 2 balls. And it's gone for a 6. Dhoni, that was a close finish. Did you feel a lot of pressure?
I don't take unnecessary pressure. I am Milkha Singh. I am flying sick.
बना के चक्र सुदर्शन बाल झमके फीते कस के बाल खुली है आज शेर की मांग आज शहरों से है तेरा दंगल अब तू भाग मिल्खा तेरी नस नस लोहाता और तू है आग मिल्खा ओ बस तू भाग मिल्खा
Cashew and pista. Jaggery or honey. Now, put some dry fruit powder into the milk and some jaggery powder. Now stir it. This drink is healthy for children and women. Low-fat milk can be used for adults. As it gives strength, I call it Sattva drink. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.
अवश्यम् आचराम यत् श्रुतं दृष्टं च आचारः सर्वविद्यानां गरीयन् पठनादपि। सम्प्रति प्रधानाध्यापिका जयश्री दीदी अभिनन्दनानि प्रकटयति। सावधानेन शृण्वन्तु।
Dreams makes us walk the miles of hardship in a positive way. We sincerely thank our principal, Dr. Chalamai Reddy, for awakening the desire and passion of celebrating Sports Day virtually even in this situation. We would like to thank our dear parents who supported throughout the year by encouraging their ward to participate enthusiastically in all virtual programs. I would like to thank all our participants who made this event a memorable one. If you have the ability, talent, and above all, interest, you can achieve success with whatever minimal resources available at your disposal. This is proved by you, my dear students. With deep appreciation and love, we'd like to thank our sports facilitators, Jadish Bhaiya, Prabhanjan Bhaiya, Sujana Didi, for encouraging and guiding the students. Without the help and continuous support of Aroshri Didi, Sharad Bhaiya, and other IT coordinators, Meena Didi, Upesh Bhaiya, the designing of the video would not have been possible. Teachers from all grades worked as sports coordinators along with the class teachers to string together this wonderful program. Not to forget the complete team of teachers and students who breathed life into the presentation. Thank you, my dear colleagues, Reshma Didi and Uma Didi, for your sincere involvement, support, and excellent teamwork. Before concluding, let me announce the last year academic performance of our children. We came up with flying results in ICSE and ISC board examination as usual. The highest being scored by Dash Gupta, Girbani Joshi, Commerce and Science stream respectively. Dash Gupta scored 96%, Girbani Joshi scored 93%. In ICSC, Nikita and Vinny are the school toppers in science stream. They scored 95.2%. Shakti Harini is the topper in commerce stream. She secured 96%. Not only this, in many subjects, our children scored 100 out of 100. Mahati Reddy in history civics, Virinchi, Deepti Acharya, Laukik scored 100 out of 100 in mathematics, Jay Setia in computers, and Vinit Simadri in German. I personally take this opportunity to especially thank the parents who made this possible. We all pray that the entire SAS family, our dear students, faculty, and staff and parents are all safe and keeping sound health. Let us together resolve to fight COVID and emerge happy and victorious. Thank you all.